Let's get started with section 3. But starting with row 23, just as before, we're going to work between 2 stitches in the space. And we're just doing double crochets for this row. We're going to do this for a lot of rows, actually. This is going to be one of the widest sections of the main color. And this is why it's important that if you are digging through your stash, that you make sure that you have enough yarn. So we'll be doing 10 rows. Again, this is going to be a short video since we're only really repeating 2 types of stitches. So yeah, I just love how this is coming together, and I hope you love how your Shawldigan is coming together. Have you picked out your buttons yet? And if you haven't, you still have time. That could be the last thing that you do. You may already have some buttons in your stash that you really, really love, so don't forget to check there. And if not, definitely head to a local craft store, but also check out what's online. Because if you order now, it should definitely arrive. I would hope so. I would hope that it arrives before the end of the crochet along so that you can post your finished Shawldigan being modeled on a body to be entered into the giveaway. Hey, we are making progress, right? It has gotten to the point that I can no longer show it to you all at once. So I will admit I was in the groove and I forgot to hop back on here to show you when I transitioned back to color B, but that's okay. At least I remember now. So as we are working section 2, we have one of the biggest sections of color A. As you can see, I was halfway through there when I remember, like, oops, yeah, let me not undo that. But is this not amazing in how it's coming together? So if you're following along with the pattern, again, we've done 10 rows here. This is through row 32, and now we're going to do row 33 through 42, and that will be the end of section 2. For section 3, we are going to finish the shawl. That is from row 44 through 54 and the edging, and then adding the buttons where we will add them to the wings, shall we say, the ends of the wings. That way, if you want to wear it like a cocoon, you can put the buttons here. I'm still debating whether to put one on. I want one this side. Yeah. Either way, we're making progress. So, if you have questions, definitely you can comment below this video. But the best place to leave any questions is in the Facebook group, Creations by Courtney Community. And yeah, let's keep stitching. Again, nothing has changed with making the increase or the cross stitches. That last cross extended double crochet, that last one will still be into the chain 2 space. And then when you work into the skipped space, it's that last one before the point. And then the increase is still the same. That's really it for section 2. Keep working, and when you are done with this section, we will check back in. Ask your questions, share your pictures, use hashtag Creations by Courtney, hashtag CBCCAL, hashtag Shawldigan, especially if you are sharing your progress on Instagram. Let the world know how much fun you're having and invite them over. The more, the merrier. I will check in with y'all soon. We're getting there. We're getting there. Yay! Hey y'all, so made a little oopsie. I forgot to come back after row 32 and switching back to color B. I was in the zone, but as you can tell, the pattern is really straightforward of doing A, B, A, C, A, B, A, and then the next color change will be C, and then again back to A. And so I want you to continue following the pattern. So we will end at row 43 for section 2. Section 3 is row 44 through 54 in the edging. I hope you're enjoying the rhythm of this. It's coming out amazing. It's okay if the length is a bit longer because, you know, why not? You do want to check your wingspan. In my instance, because I changed to the chainless starting double crochet, which you don't have to do, it is leaning upwards a bit, but I am going to do a steam block when I am done. That way it lays as flat as possible, like so. See, it's puckering just a little bit, but with these being natural fibers, the steam block will do a lot of justice. So keep working. We are making progress, as you can see. And for section 4, rather than repeating the cross extended double crochet and then the double crochet, when we get to the section 4, I'm just going to show the edging, which is worked around the entire piece and adding the buttons. Because at this point, you should be feeling really confident in making these stitches. And if you have not grabbed the updated PDF with the stitch counts, which are at the end of each line of instruction and in a chart at the end of the pattern, so you know exactly where you are every single row, definitely use the special link within the newsletter to get it at a discounted price. And if you already had it in your pattern library, you should have received an email with the updated version. And if you have not gotten that, definitely let me know.